Okay, you guys, Fountain Blue is up and running again, so let me tell you guys all the details that we know. It's supposed to be 67 stories, and it's supposed to be all done and complete by the fourth quarter of 2023. And if 67 stories wasn't intimidating enough, there's supposed to be well over 3,700 rooms. So what I'm getting from it is it's supposed to be like a mini Venetian because they're supposed to have restaurants, shops, nightlife, and like a bunch of other things. Now they have a pillarless ballroom that could break out into 57 breakout rooms. So the ballroom is 105,000 square feet, and 62,000 of that is supposed to be used for the breakout rooms. But that's all we know about this project, so stay tuned for more. Bye!